Hi, my name is Isabella, and we're opening up some giant eggies. Prize.
Try surprise eggs.
Giant prizes.
Who do you have here today?
My big brother Braiden.
Say hi, Braiden.
Hello.
All right.
Now let's open them.
All right, open your eggs.
Mine open. We got these in already.
Wow, what's in there?
Start with this one. Whoa, I'm lava.
I got Ellie Dolly prizes and slime.
Ooh, I'm opening the Smashers.
Even more slime. I picked this.
What do you got?
Nom nom. Slime bags. It's slime.
It
Wow.
does not say. Interesting.
Let me see.
Is this slime?
Series 1, Nom Noms.
Cool.
Color
open
changing
it?
dippers.
These are dippers?
Yeah, color changing dippers.
I want.
Please.
I got two bone slime bags. Isn't it?
Go, Miss Michaela.
Are you playing with it?
Put it on the table. Hold it in your hands. Is there a surprise in there?
I feel something. There is. There are.
What's in there?
Get out of you. Get out, you. I got some blue. I got some purple. I got something. Let's see.
Here you go.
I knew I wanted these.
May I have a try?
Star. It's Sissy.
Wow, it really is.
Do they color change?
Let's see. They color change. Let's see. This.
Put the slime back in the container.
Okay.
How about the year? It doesn't fart. Let's see. I see.
All right, let's see Braiden's first surprise.
Can they all
I will open a Series 2 Grow Shoes. Smash 'ems.
All right.
We got the collector's guide. I can't even get it out. And we got the smash. Oh, smash! We got, ooh, who is this?
Don't. I see some. Let's see, it's this Sissy. Oh, it's Sissy. It's great.
And it looks like we got Alley Cat. Rare awful animals.
I got Ariel and Meebles.
That is Flounder
Flounder
and Flounder.
and Big Flounder. Let's stick them in this one. He's down in the slime. He's down in the slime. They're both in the slime.
Yay! Good job.
What's
Now it's
it?
Bee's turn.
No, it's
I got a narwhal, a surprisable narwhal. Its name is Bubbles the narwhal.
eight.
Need help opening it? Need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dip. Oh, it doesn't color change. I thought they color change.
I don't know.
What's the
There you go, Miss Michaela.
Can Ariel be done in here?
You gotta open the surprise, Goofy.
Dippy. Is that Ariel, Mommy? Let's cover Ariel then slime. We got doubles.
What is this?
You're going in the slime. Ariel. Sorry. You did not tell us. You did sticky slime. That's what you did.
We got cold. I think we got cold mint. Can I see this? Yup, we got cold mint. I want to open this. This is Aero Play Creative Kids.
That one might be a dud.
Nope. This is cool.
Braiden, you have to
Sure, you can play with it. What do you want to open next?
Is it squishy? What's it feel like?
It feels like whipped cream.
What color is it?
Blue and white. I picked this. I picked my Oreo Dolly Pies.
Do you need help?
Yeah, for my big brother. I can't wait to see who is it.
Pull it off. Good job.
Is this I got it now. I see someone's face. And wow, all by yourself. And doing what her doing.
There's a secret message, I think. Yup.
What's it say? Show it.
There it is.
Okay.
It looks like beautiful royalty.
Hi.
What is that? That's an LOL surprise littles.
That means I got a little?
Yeah, she's a littles.
It's her mini?
Makeover series.
I got the other pair though.
Ooh, what color is the packaging?
Black now and pink.
black?
Yeah, Braiden, can you help me?
Sure,
I think I peeled this a little so I can peel it. Oh, thank you. I think it's pink. It's all pink. It must be pink. It must be pink.
Look around, see what's there.
I see someone's sister. I see a sister. I see some more pink. It has layers.
I know it has so many layers.
Yeah, you did that for the. There's one more here for it. More.
It's cute. It's got a puppy dog.
I got it.
You want help opening it?
And then roll this into a ball.
Okay, open it the rest. Oh, good job.
Get her dog.
Here you go.
It's a sister.
It's little sister, yay!
Let's see what's in here. It must be the business.
It could be. Ooh.
See the business.
No, it's not.
Who is it? Who is
I don't
it?
know yet.
I
Here you
don't.
go.
Oh, it's some accessories.
Ooh, it's an army backpack. Or an
Yeah.
army bag.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, where's the other blind bag?
Here.
Okay, want me to open it?
Yeah. Can we all put her in her
Here
bag?
you go.
Put her in her little baggie.
Here. It is. It's a little shoe.
There's only one. I think there's two. I
Okay,
feel
get it out.
I feel one more. I feel something. I feel one more.
Get it out. Want me to help?
Get on it.
Good job.
Whoa.
Want me to put it in? Put them on? Put them on?
Yeah, I think they're too big. I think they want to her bit, sis. I think they want to her bit, sis.
They are really big.
Yeah, they want to them business. It wants to his business. And they see mommy. I see you, Braiden.
Okay.
I see you. Oh, you're done. And eat something. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. Hurry out this time. Hurry to jump on the slide. Yay, 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 yay. Jump slide, jump slide. I want to jump in the slide.
She color changed.
What'd she do?
Her bra.
Wow, she color changed. Let's see her. Oh, cool. So now she's got an outfit on.
Let's see her drawing.
Oh, now she has shoes on too. Ooh. Okay, let's see what's inside. Hot Wheels car.
Let's see what's in this one. Slime. I said,
Silly putty. Is it stretchy?
Yes. See if it can bounce. It's bouncy.
Kinda. Okay, what's next, Braiden?
Okay, I'll open up Beyblade.
Mommy, I want princesses. Who's about to sing? This audio doll is about to sing. These must belong to her princess. Mommy, now it's my turn.
Beyblade.
Hang on, honey.
first.
Her about to sing. Come out
Okay.
here. Come out.
We got
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Don't tell her things in this one. Don't tell her things in this one. No, I don't. Why were you thinking? Because I was. Eee.
How's it go? Oh, there we go. What's this?
Oh.
This.
And I met in my sign. My heel slime.
Beyblade, let it rip.
Baby, did it rip.
Okay, let's see which one this is.
Mommy.
Where does it go?
There is no collector's guide.
I got princesses.
Princesses.
I got Jasmine and her friends. Let me put some slime in here. This must be a good idea. Ah, slime in here. There's always slime in here. Ah, oh
Okay, Braiden.
no. Put slime in
I'll
here.
open another Beyblade.
Open to baby. It's pot time. It's pot time for the baby.
What am I gonna get?
I'm babysitting the baby.
I got the same one. Aw.
Oh, where was her head? Her head started to drive. Down there, you slime, baby. I hate slime. I hate slime. Okay, baby. Do you want to go in here?
Okay, Michaela, open another surprise.
Okay. It's Debbie this.
Mom, do this.
More princesses!
Oh my goodness, who's in there?
Lots of princesses and horses. And Llama. And bells. And her. And her.
No,
And
Rapunzel.
Merida.
Mulan.
And her.
I will open this giant egg. Who's gonna be in it? It's a giant monster truck from Hot Wheels. Vroom.
Bing, Twinkies, open up your egg.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Then I want you to play with my slime.
Okay, it's your turn. What do you want to open up?
Oh, I want to open
Hang on a
up
second.
for nom noms. Cause I got it to nom noms. Nom noms all the time. I always did nom noms. Why do I always did nom noms?
Nom, nom, nom.
We always did nom. I always did nom noms. When
You never get it.
I got a prize for you. When he's sitting out. Ah, oh no. I want to down the slime.
Special editions of the
I don't know special edition.
we got Tom Corn special edition version.
All right.
I don't know special edition.
Where's the lip gloss?
Right here. Let me. Oh. Let me.
What does it smell like? I'm gonna put it on. It smells super duper good.
Yeah. It smells like. It smells like.
It smells like success.
Yeah. This is good.
There's our dog Delilah. She's hanging out with us.
Hi, I got some slime.
Okay, it's my turn. We can open some farting potty. Yay!
Oh, it's when it's for them putty too.
See how good the fart is.
Mommy, can I try it? You want something?
Ooh, that was a good one. Gil, fart it.
Okay.
Reach down with your 2 fingers.
Fart. Fart.
Good job.
Fart. I told you fart.
What do you got there?
This.
What is it? Smushy Mushies Unicorn Shake Series 3?
This time I got a tap.
Let's look at the collector's guide. Where is it? Where's the collector's guide? Is it in here? I think so.
Let me see this. This looks like.
Let's see who it is.
Yeah. It's a tat. Because tat has
Unicorn cat.
Turn it around, let me see. Wow.
Okay. Holly Husky and Darla Dunks.
All right.
It's a little.
Okay.
Oh, that's super stretchy.
In a boat. Now it's
Okay, let's open my last 2 surprises.
Can Ethan?
Let's see what this
Can
is.
we both eat?
It is a Hot Wheels car.
Can we both eat one?
And those are, I don't know what those are.
Those look like zombies.
Braiden, now you get to play with my
Zombies.
slime. Thanks for opening our prizes with us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah. And
See you next time. Bye.
bye. This is a big thumbs up.
See you next time. Bye.